This is the 8th part of our second lesson on saying things. So open your books, page number 16, last paragraph. Now listen carefully. It is not therefore with any feeling of unfriendliness. Look at the meaning of unfriendliness. It means not friendly. Unfriendliness to conductors as a class that I pay tribute. Look at the meaning of pay tribute. It means show gratitude or respect. I pay a tribute to a particular member of that class. So, here, what the writer is trying to tell us, it is not therefore with any feelings of unfriendliness to conductors as a class that I pay tribute to a particular member of that class. So, there are many people in this class. Which class? Conductors, bus conductors. And in that class, everyone is not behaving very rudely, angrily, aggressively with the passengers. Why? Because the writer had some kind of experience in his life about the good conductors, with the good conductors, and therefore he says that there are few bus conductors who are very polite in their behavior, and therefore he says that I pay tribute, I show respect and gratitude to this kind of member of that class, conductor's class. I first became conscious. Look at the meaning of this word, conscious. According to this lesson, conscious it means having knowledge of something. Another meaning, aware of. I first became conscious of this existence one day when I jumped onto a bus and found that I had left home without any money in my pocket. So, here the writer is sharing his one experience of his life. One day what happened? He was some kind of rush, and in that rush he forget his pocket, his money at home, and entered into a bus. After entering into that bus, he realized that he forget his money at home, and he didn't have money at that time. And in that incident, he met that particular member, that honest conductor who behaved very politely, very calmly, very friendly with the writer in this situation. Everyone has had the experience and knows the feeling. The mixed feeling which the discovery, look at the meaning of this word here, discovery. Discovery. According to this lesson, meaning of this word is become aware of. Discovery arouses. See the meaning of arouses. It means evoke, fear or anger. So what is the meaning of evoke? Evoke, it means generate. Everyone has had the experience and knows the feeling, the mixed feeling which the discovery arouses. So the writer says many people had this kind of experience in their life, and that time we have some kind of mixed feeling in our mind, in our heart. And when this incident happened, that time it is certain that the feelings of fear or anger arouse in our mind, in our heart. You are annoyed. Annoyed. Look at the meaning of this word. It means irritating. You are annoyed because you look like a fool at the best. At the best, it means if everything happened very nice, so that time. And like a knave, the meaning of this word is given here, a dishonest person. Knave at the worst. So this feeling, when you enter into a bus and you forget your pocket, your money at home, at that time, the feeling aroused in our heart, in our mind, that feeling is very annoying. That feeling irritates us. Why? Because everything happened nicely, so you will only look full at that time. But the situation is very bad. Everything happening wrongly with you, so that time the other people will think that you are a dishonest person. You cheat the conductor. This will be the ideology of other people who were in that bus, who will be watching you. You would not be at the surprise if the conductor eyed you coldly. Look at the meaning of this word, coldly. It means lacking affection or warmth of feeling. Another meaning is unemotional. Coldly, as much as to say, yes, I know the spell. See the meaning of this word, spell. It means no longer new or interesting. You would not be at all surprised if the conductor eyed you coldly as much as to say, yes, I know that stall old trick. So, in this situation, if any conductor look at you without showing any kind of affection, without showing any kind of warmth, and he will tell you that whatever you are behaving, that is very old trick. People used it in the past. This is not new. So all people will laugh on you and you will look like a fool. At that time you will look like a dishonest person. Now then, off you get, and even if the conductor is a good fellow it means person, man, and let you down easily, you are faced with the necessity of going back and the inconvenience. Look at the meaning of this word, inconvenience. It means the state of becoming slightly troublesome or difficult. Inconvenience perhaps of missing your train or your engagement. What is the meaning of this word, engagement? Engagement, it means, meaning of this word according to this lesson is an appointment. So, at the last of this passage, the writer says that when you are getting off from that bus, if the conductor is a good person, he won't say you anything in the rude manner, or he won't use some kind of abusing word, bad words for you. But even after this, when you will get out of that bus, that time you have to hurry up to your home for your money, because you have to go somewhere. It may be you are going to catch your train, you are going for some kind of engagement, some kind of appointment you have decided before this. So, whatever will be the situation, whatever going to happen, that time you have to face some kind of irritation, some kind of anger, or some kind of fear automatically arise in your mind or heart. So, in this way, we are going to stop here. Next part we will see tomorrow. So, have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.